Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Yellowgrass is a small village in southern Saskatchewan, located about 40 kilometers southeast of Regina, with a population of just under 200 people. Surrounded by open prairie, farmland, and big skies, Yellowgrass reflects the quiet, rural character that defines much of this region. The village was established in the early 1900s during a period of rapid settlement across the Canadian prairies. Its name is often linked to the golden color of prairie grasses that dominate the area, especially in late summer and fall. Like many communities in Saskatchewan, Yellowgrass grew alongside the expansion of the railway, which played a key role in bringing settlers, goods, and economic activity into the region. Agriculture has always been the backbone of life here. The surrounding land is well suited for growing crops like wheat, canola, and barley, as well as supporting livestock farming. Over the decades, farming practices have evolved with technology, but the connection to the land remains central to the identity of the community. Grain elevators, once a common sight across the prairies, were historically important landmarks in towns like Yellowgrass, symbolizing both livelihood and progress. One of the more unique historical notes about Yellowgrass is its claim to having experienced one of the highest recorded temperatures in Canada. In 1937, during a severe heat wave, temperatures in the area reportedly reached over 45 degrees Celsius. This event remains part of local lore and highlights the extremes of prairie climate, where winters can be long and bitterly cold, and summers can bring intense heat. Today, Yellowgrass offers a glimpse into a quieter way of life. It stands as a reminder of the settlement history that shaped Saskatchewan and the enduring importance of rural communities across Canada. For travelers passing through, it's a place that captures the essence of the prairies, simple, open, and deeply connected to the land. Thanks for watching!